The muffler rotted out on the Super Duty. Yeah, so as you can see, this muffler is just trash. It's split clear down through there. I'm gonna do a straight pipe start real quick. So to replace it, we got the new stainless Flowmaster FlowFX. Alright, I cut the muffler off the tailpipe. This is a 3.5-inch diesel tailpipe. I had slipped over that muffler when I put it on, and I just welded it solid. This time around, got an adapter, 3-inch, 3.5. I'll weld it on there, and then that way I can slip it into the muffler and clamp it like it's supposed to be. Oh, there it is. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos. See you later.